The moment you associate yourself with the pattern, pattern teaches you to suspect everything else other than the pattern. When you don't associate with it, when it is away from you, suddenly you see the pattern doesn't have life. Just few days before, one of my rishis are telling another on Swami, the problem I have, if others are having, I'll be able to bring them out easily. But when it comes to me, I don't know what to do. It is not one person's problem, everybody's problem. The problem which you are having, if somebody else is having, you can easily lift that person out. You are all too intelligent when it comes to others. Why? Then why that is not happening when it comes to you? Please catch the truth. Let me repeat once more. When you have not associated yourself with the pattern, it doesn't have your presence to infuse life to it. The moment you associate yourself with the pattern, pattern gets life. Now it becomes independent, intelligent. It starts making you suspect everything other than itself. That is why you find when somebody else is in a problem, very easy to lift them out of that problem. But when you are in the same mess, you are struggling. You can't do anything. You are not able to attend. You are not even able to be balanced. You will always have certain pattern when you deal with people. First, you will have the friendliness when you are introduced, and you will fall all over, head over the heels, roll. In 2-3 days, you will realize your expectations are different, the person is different, then distance, then utter few words behind the back. They don't even need to see each other. There are some other people who will not fall head over heels immediately, slowly, step by step, step by step. But once they build a relationship, they feel, they respect. Relationships are extension of their very self. I tell you, build wealth properly based on your ability to create and maintain. Why do you think all over the world, so many millions of people get millions of dollars in lottery, but you will not find a single man who has become rich by lottery? Because the wealth came through the lottery was never part of his own personality. It is not extension of his personality. It is something infused from outside. It will naturally only become cancer, never become muscle. Anything which is extension of your personality is your muscle. Anything which is forced outside from you suddenly is cancer. I just know the power of Lakshmi. When you are able to create and maintain, when you have respect for her, when you have respect for the wealth, nobody can snatch it away from you. It is extension of your personality. Same way, relationships. All relationships are extension of your personality. If you respect them as extension of your personality, they will never be snatched away from you. You will never lose them. You will never ever lose them. Anything which is not extension of your personality, anything which you don't respect as yourself cannot stay with you. Understand? understand this mental pattern. If you have the pattern of being careless with the people, you will always catch it wrong. Understand? Don't fall head over heels. Do it step by step, step by step, step by step. Wait before building any relationship. When I say wait, I don't mean say no. I mean say yes slowly. Yeah. Say yes with a lot of respect for the person, because after your yes, the person is extension of you. The person is part of you. Not able to maintain health, not able to maintain wealth, not able to maintain relationships, all are because of wrong mental patterns. If you break free from all your bondages consciously, it is a eternal, nitya. You can again never be bound. Over, that's all. There can never be again bondage for you. Same way, if you break the mental patterns and free from psychological bondages, again you can never be bound again. It's almost impossible to bind you again. You are free from that mental pattern. Maybe some other patterns can bind you, but this pattern itself will not bind you. That is also almost eternal, nitya. But the body pattern, if you did yoga for 6 months or 1 year, then you stop, drop. Don't think the body pattern you created is eternal. No. Body goes on changing. Body has to be maintained. When you don't maintain, health cannot be retained. Health, wealth and relationships, all three are dependent on your pattern. If you have a wrong pattern, I have seen people, 2 months they will work out heavily, then suddenly 2 days for some reason they will give break, and after that they will never start again. I tell you, if you do not break that wrong pattern, bring the right pattern to your body, health is not possible. Health will not be part of your life. Same way wealth. Have clear idea. Your capacity to create, your capacity to hold, means maintain. Your capacity to spend. Only when you have a right understanding and pattern. See, shopping is a disorder, is a pattern. I have seen people, when they go to the shops, they will forget they have anything else in their life. Especially women, when they go for shopping, they forget that something else exists in their life. Everything is blown away. It's a pattern. You don't think you need little money for the next month, next year. You may fall sick. You need at least few rupees for the medicine. No. Wealth is also lost because of wrong pattern. I know people have this shopping like a disease. Dama, go and see whatever is in the eyes, buy it. Bring it and dump in the garage. Become so tired, never even open the items you bought. And next week again run. You may have even billions of dollars. If you have this mental pattern, I tell you, it will not take much time for you to be a bankrupt. Lakshmi is not all about the bank balance, it is all about the mental pattern. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.